we've come across this old farm. The amount of classic cars in here, it's unreal, guys. So I'm going to flip the camera around. Got Hidden History of Ray Pompey with us today. So obviously just a generic looking farm building with trash and, you know, old buildings, but look, this is the first of the classics. Look at this, guys. Isabella. Look at that. We've got another old one underneath this. I wonder if that's an MG. Yeah, see, look, we've got an old MG under the covers. Really old number plate. But we've also got Triumph. That's what it is. Old classic Triumph. Yeah, look, guys. We've got this old car. That's actually in really good condition inside. So yeah, let's go and find Ray and Steve. Wow. There is Hidden History of Ray. Have a look at him, mate. It's an old Triumph.
Yeah, I'm going to have a look.
Classic MG under here as well. So cool, guys, what we've stumbled upon. Oh wow, guys, we've got a Nissan. Wait, no way, there's a Porsche in there. Wow, guys. That's seen better days, isn't it? Let's see what else we've got. These are very old, these cars.
This is the old combine?
Yeah, what's this car? It's ain't got a badge on it, but it looks, I don't know, I can't work that one out.
It's a Jag.
What, this blue one?
Yeah. Number plate still on it.
Yeah.
It's crumpled.
These are...
MGBGT.
Yeah, that's an MG. Look at this, guys. That's pretty good nick inside there, to be fair. Someone's mixtape. It's probably old coins and stuff in there.
No, there isn't though. Look, you can see there's like a screw in there.
Yeah.
Old type of steering wheel.
Still in well good nick, isn't it?
Yeah. You'll probably get some decent money for this.
Look at that gear stick.
Have you seen this at the back though?
What is that?
It's a kit car.
Oh yeah, well spotted, right? You can't get round there. Yeah. Yeah, look at this, what Ray spotted. Look at that engine, look. It is firing order. That literally goes from there, Ray, all the way along. There's the steering wheel, and there's the engine block.
There's a badge on the steering wheel.
What do we think it is?
Don't know, you can't really see it.
No. If you guys do know, leave us a comment in the comment section.
Yeah.
Because some of you guys are really good at identifying stuff.
Yeah, these old tools here as well, but...
Why are they leaving it to seize like that?
Yeah.
Wow, look at that wheel. And there's Pompey, guys.
Look at the engine.
I didn't look at the engine in the Porsche. Do you know I said a few mice in there?
It won't take long to do that, mate.
That's crazy. Anything on there?
Yeah, you can't see it, probably.
Yeah. That is amazing.
Private number plate's absolutely fantastic. Have you looked in? There.
Yeah.
Bentley round there.
What's this?
Oh, there's a Jaguar. This old.
Yeah.
I've seen that before.
Oh, no way. Oh, no way, Ed. Look at those wheels, guys.
Okay, don't.
Mate, what have we stumbled upon?
Mate, I'm glad I came in. I was like, no.
You weren't gonna, were you?
No.
I've got to have a look in here, guys. Oh, beautiful.
A walnut.
It is walnut, isn't it? It's got the key in the ignition, mate.
Do not bloody turn that.
What's...
Got it, won't we? No. No, there's no lights on.
You were gonna...
No, we want to stay as long as we can. That rolls up in.
What's under here?
Another MG, no, Lotus.
Lotus.
Look, guys. Well, you know you've got to put these carpets back, don't you?
Yeah.
Every one you take off, you've got to put back on.
I can't believe this. I'm blown away.
Don't worry about the engines.
Look at this.
Lotus. It's immaculate. And you've got this chassis number over there. It's immaculate, mate.
What about inside? I've got to have a look at this, mate.
Sunbeam
No way.
The keys are in there as well.
Are they?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Turn.
Don't, Eddie. British made?
There's keys in that one as well. Keys are in all.
That's crazy.
I thought they were key for the watch.
It's a huge old bonnet, isn't it? Look, if you hit that.
Wait, look. That one was bought at auction.
Fuck. I need to see inside this, mate. And this old one. This is like an old... Look at the wing on this.
Mate, I've driven that others before. They're shite.
Yeah, I know, but for classics, that Bentley is fucking awesome. Look, just show you, there's the old Bentley symbol.
Yeah, that's the same badge from here.
That's beautiful. Look at the door, front opening door. It's open, mate. Oh, it's carpeted inside. Yeah, look, leather. We've still got the original leather in here. Wow, I mean, guys, look at these old dials. This old, look, it's even got an old clock here, look. It's crazy how they built that. What? Really?
I'm not taking it to this either.
Nah, it's alright. We've got old bulbs and bits in the glove box. But yeah, we're gonna have to be quick, guys. There's more. Fucking more cars open. That was me. Look at this. I don't know if I can get in this one because it's quite tightly packed. There we go, guys, look. It has been here for a while. Look how dusty it is. There's no door handles to this one. Can't get that one open either. Jesus. What have we stumbled across? But yeah, guys, I'm completely blown away by this Triumph. Look at this. Front opening door. Look how good it is inside. Wow, how many miles on the clock? 47,000. Key in the ignition. Nothing in the glove box, but wow. That's a beautiful car, that is. Shut the door. So yeah, we've got another MG there. And this one, look how old that number plate is. Elvis. Wow, the hood on that. So, apparently, oh, I didn't, Vanguard.
Yeah, that's nothing to do with it. I'll put it on.
Oh, that was you, was it?
That's a Varroa badge.
Is it?
Yeah.
Right, so,
Look at the number plate.
Jesus, yeah. But yeah, guys, I am going to be careful. Sunbeam Talbot 90. Wow, no way. Keys are in every one of them, aren't they?
This is like the car from Back to the Future, Biff's car.
Oh, yeah, we've got like a Cadillac-y looking one here. Yeah, alright, mate.
Austin. It is, yeah.
Oh, what's under that?
Another Austin, I guess. I don't take any more of these off.
Wow. Oh, Jesus. Wow. I'm blown away, mate. Absolutely blown away by this. Oh, let's look at this as well. Show you inside, because I can't actually get to it. Beautiful. It's the old Austin badge there. Oh, wow.
Alex, there's 2 CV round the side.
Is there? 2 CV, eh? Look at me. God,
That's America. Maryland.
oh, yeah. Mate, all these are just going to be scrapped.
Yeah, you say that, but when you really put stuff on the top,
Yeah.
they like that, and people do like come by after.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Man and Son.
Well, I'm going to run out of batteries.
Oh, we got a Ford Transit tipper.
We saw one of those fucked at the AstraZeneca days.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, okay. Oh, yeah. Look at this, guys. Got another Austin and a 2 CV, old
Yes,
Citroen.
Queen.
Right. Look at this. And they got the old Austin, 30,000 miles on the clock. I like these old clocks in the cars before digital. You got the old temperature.
You can remove the seats when you're on a picnic.
Really?
Yeah, remove.
That is quality.
Jawbone.
Oh yeah, that's a big.
Didn't you smell death around there when you came out of
I
there?
did smell a bit. I thought you just farted, Ray, to be
If I
fair.
fart, I'm doing something.
What's in this barn then?
Right, you can go up there,
Yeah.
that Porsche, and that's as far as you can go.
Okay. We're all good so far, guys.
Look at this barn of stilts to your left.
Oh yeah. That concrete fucking got concrete mushroom holding it up.
That's
But
right. Look, you've got this old Porsche here that Jeremy Clarkson turned into an ambulance.
yeah. We've got more classics.
They're
They're
all
just
off-
hidden
They're
in the
all,
woods.
that's
That's a Maestro, isn't it? Or is it a Morris?
no, they're all Austins apart from that one's a Woozy.
Oh yeah, they are, aren't they? Look, guys. Wow.
Woozy 6.9er.
6.9er. 690. So it's a Wolseley.
Nickname Woozy.
Yeah,
Look at
the
that.
wing on it.
My granddad always used to have something like that on his bloody car, even if it was a crap car.
That's fucking crazy, isn't it? They really don't
Look at
make
the quality
them.
of this Porsche.
Oh yeah. Jeez. Oh, that would have been nice low ride, that would.
how low down it is, right?
I don't know. How many miles we got on here? Only 21,000 miles.
So if they fix this, it'd be worth a mint.
Yeah, that's an old classic, this is. This is the best condition car here. You right?
I think Eddie's coming, otherwise there's someone else coming, because there's a voice going, oi.
Right, let's hope it's Eddie. There's Porsche everywhere emblazoned on this car. We've got Porsche. Porsche. Porsche.
What car is it?
I think it's a Ferrari, isn't it?
Oh, it looks like it. I've only got a little bit of battery left.
Well, better make it count. We're alright, we're alright. It's fine. It's fine.
Where's the next?
I'll trample it down, mate. Ow. Oh, there's more. There's more. Oh my god, Ray.
What's the engine?
Nothing.
That's a Bentley engine there.
Sofas and stuff in there. Stairs that go up.
What?
Stairs.
Is it properly?
Yeah, look at this. What is that?
It's a badge here.
That's another Austin.
Is it?
Austin Healey.
May. Yeah, I know. It's Austin Sprite, it says there.
Is it Austin Healey, I thought?
Sprite. The Austin Healey and Austin Sprite look exactly the same.
We've got an old Triumph here as well.
This one's a Triumph.
Yeah. This is an old Triumph. Get down, it's right there. Get down.
We'll get a phone call now.
Yeah, let's do them quick. Let's get out of here. Oh. Turn the torch off, is it?
It's an MGB. Yeah, MGB. So that's not the GT model, that's just the MGB.
What? Look at that. Fucking number plate, old D-Reg.
That was great timing. my anxiety's disappeared now.
Yeah, they've gone.
In there, guys. Look at it in there, mate. Fucking hell.
Oh. Right, what's this one? That's an old Triumph as well, by the look of these back wings. Oh no, that's a Pennant. It's called a Pennant, that one.
Another car there. I think it's like an old Triumph again, but oi, what are you doing? Did you see the owner come out?
Someone came past it.
Someone came out.
Yeah, okay.
Now he says it, now my
Yeah.
anxiety's back. Eddie.
Right, anyway, so what was this?
I don't know. Doesn't have any badges.
That is a Triumph, I'm pretty sure, but this one isn't. I want to know what... Oh, that's another Austin. This is crazy, Ed. This is not something I was expecting to find.
No, nor was I.
Yeah, it's just doors, cut doors.
If I'm honest with you, Alex, I didn't think we would find it.
No, have faith. Yeah, so this is the Austin house, mate.
Yeah.
Hospital house.
Austin House.
Hospital.
Why hospital?
Because he's going to die in a minute. Oh, there's car seats here.
Not necessarily.
Car seats.
Oh, yeah.
The rest of the doors. What's that over there? There's an engine over there. What's that? No, is that a lathe or an engine? Or neither?
Neither.
Okay.
Could be a tractor engine, to be fair. But yeah, look at this. This is just another bit we found. And this is just chock full of classic Austins. Right, let's get out of this little bit. Oh, I didn't even notice that bonnet.
No, not at all.
You been in the bar?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is crazy, guys. Absolutely nuts. I've never seen so many Austins, Bentleys and Porsches. It's just unreal, guys. It really is. Yeah. Yeah.
Eddie, get out of there.
Oh, is he?
Yeah.
Is there anything good in there?
Just car parks.
It's filmed.
Yeah. Might as well have a little look.
Okay. Probably been seen because as soon as you go past here, I can see it.
Can they?
Yeah, it's in the top window.
So yeah, we've got all car parts and stuff in here. According to Eddie. Oh yeah. Look, guys, we've got the old number plates and bonnets. Wow. Oh, this place is mental, guys. It's not a frog-eyed sprite, is it? Bonnet? Don't know if you know, let us know in the comments. Yeah, like you can see, just alloys, bonnets, bumpers. Wow, look at them old wheels then. Still really good tread on them. So yeah, I've just got to avoid the house as I come out here, so bear with me. Ah, there we go. What a cool place, guys, eh?